Yo, what's up everyone? It's Tinvu here, and today I want to show you how I built a completely new income stream that's making me 1.6K monthly just for managing other UGC creators. And this isn't about creating content for brands anymore. This is about helping other creators optimize their businesses while getting paid $400 per creator every single month. And the best part, most UGC creators desperately need this service but don't even know it exists yet. I'm going to break down exactly how this business model works, what tasks are involved, and how you can start your own creator management service. Now, for those who don't know me, I'm a 19-year-old college student who built a $10,000 monthly UGC business in less than 1 year. But after helping dozens of students succeed with UGC, I noticed something interesting. Most successful UGC creators hit a plateau around 3 to 5K monthly because they get stuck doing everything themselves. They're talented creators, but they're horrible at business management, growth strategy, and optimizing their operations. These creators have money coming in, but they don't have the time or expertise to scale properly. And they need someone who understands the UGC business to handle their growth strategy, review their content, and push them to the next level. And so after seeing my students struggle with the business side repeatedly, I realized that there was a massive gap in the market. Creators need management, but traditional talent managers don't understand UGC. So I decided to build a service specifically for UGC creators. And so now I manage 4 creators at $400 monthly each, generating 1.6K in mostly passive income while helping them dramatically improve their results. Now, most people have no idea what creator management looks like in practice, so let me break down exactly what I do for my $400 monthly fee. Every single week, I review each creator's content before they send it to their clients. And this isn't just checking for quality, I'm analyzing whether the content matches what brands actually want, if the messaging hits the right conversion points, how the content compares to what's working in their niche, specific improvements that could increase their rates. And this matters because most creators think their content looks good, but they don't understand what makes content convert for brands. My reviews have helped creators increase their rates by 50 to 100% because their content actually drives results. I also host group calls twice monthly where I work with all my managed creators together, and these aren't just social calls, they're focused strategy sessions covering market trends affecting UGC rates and opportunities, new platforms and opportunities to explore, rate negotiation strategies and positioning, and portfolio optimization for higher paying clients. Having creators at different levels helps everyone. Beginners learn from advanced creators, and advanced creators get pushed by seeing what others are achieving. And this might sound soft, but it's crucial. I send weekly inspiration messages that include successful campaign examples from the UGC space, rate benchmarks to push them toward higher goals, success stories from other creators in similar situations, and challenges to keep them growing instead of getting comfortable. And this works because most creators work alone and lose motivation. Having someone consistently pushing them towards bigger goals keeps them growing instead of plateauing. Now, $400 monthly might sound expensive, but let me show you the actual value creators receive from professional management. Before management, my creators were averaging $40 to $60 per video, and after 3 to 6 months of management, they're commanding $80 to $150 per video because their positioning and content quality improved dramatically. So instead of spending hours researching trends, analyzing their own performance, and figuring out growth strategies, they focus on what they do best, content creation, while I handle all the business optimization. And most creators go through cycles of high motivation followed by periods where they barely work, but management provides consistent accountability that keeps them active and growing. Here's what I've learned after working with dozens of UGC creators. The skills that make you good at creating content are completely different from the skills needed to scale a creator business. Good creators should be creative and authentic on camera, skilled at understanding products quickly, able to produce content consistently, and be natural at connecting with their audiences. But they also often struggle with strategic thinking about rates and positioning, analyzing their own performance objectively, staying motivated during slow periods, and negotiating with brands and setting boundaries. Oh, and one last thing, understanding market trends and opportunities. I'm telling you, this is literally the problem. Most creators hit 3 to 5K monthly and then stagnate because they don't know how to optimize their business systems. They're working harder, not smarter. And the reason they don't seek help is because 1, they don't know creator management services exist. They think they should figure everything out themselves. They're afraid of spending money on services, and they don't realize how much money they're leaving on the table. And the mindset shift. Successful creators eventually realize that investing in management is like hiring a business partner who specializes in growth while they focus on content creation. So if you're thinking about starting your own creator management service, here's exactly how to do it based on what's worked for me. Step 1 is to build your own UGC credibility. You can't manage creators effectively unless you understand the UGC business from the inside. You need personal experience as a successful UGC creator. You need to understand rates, clients, and market dynamics. You also gotta have proven systems and strategies that actually work, and you gotta have case studies from your own UGC journey. Step number 2 is identify your ideal creators. Not every creator needs management, so look for creators who are making 2 to 5K monthly, creators who are technically skilled but struggling with business growth, creators who are consistent but seem stuck at their current level, and creators who are open to feedback and are willing to implement changes. And now step number 3, develop your service framework. Create clear systems for weekly content review processes and feedback templates, group call agendas and growth strategy sessions, inspiration and accountability messaging schedules, and performance tracking and reporting for creators. And now step number 4, price appropriately. I charge $400 monthly because it's significant enough that creators take it seriously, it's affordable for creators making 3K monthly, it reflects the value provided, most see 2 to 3K ROI. It also allows me to provide quality service without being overwhelmed. So now here's the client acquisition process. Start with creators you already know and have helped informally, then expand through referrals and targeting creators who are clearly plateauing. And so now let me get specific about the 3 core tasks that make creator management valuable, because execution is everything. Number 1 is going to be content review messages. This isn't just saying, oh, looks good, or giving generic feedback. Effective reviews include specific suggestions for improving conversion elements, comparisons to what's working in their niche currently, rate positioning advice based on content quality, and technical improvements for better brand perception. So now here's one example of a review message. Hey, insert creator, reviewed your latest 3 videos for brand, and the product demonstration was clear, but we're missing the emotional hook in the first 3 seconds that's working for the top creators right now. So try leading with the problem frustration before showing the solution. This small change could justify raising your rates to $80 per video based on what similar content is commanding. And now for the group focus group calls. These calls have specific agendas designed to push creators forward. So we have rate analysis and negotiation strategies, new platform opportunities and market trends, portfolio optimization sessions, and success case studies from the group, and a challenge setting for the next 2 weeks. And now for the inspiration and accountability message. These aren't generic motivational quotes, they're strategy nudges that include specific rate benchmarks and market data, success stories from similar creators, opportunities they should be pursuing, and gentle accountability for goals they've set. The key is consistency and being specific. Generic management doesn't work. Creators need targeted guidance based on their specific situations and goals. And so now let me break down the numbers and show you why creator management can be more profitable than creating content yourself. And these are my current numbers. For creators at $400 monthly, that's 1.6K monthly. And the time investment is less than 10 hours per week. And my effective hourly rate is $40 an hour. And the income scalability, highly predictable and recurring. This is the exact math. 6 creators for 2.4K monthly, 8 creators for 3.2K monthly, and 10 creators for 4K monthly. And this is exactly why this scales greater than content creation. For UGC creation, your income depends on your personal content output, you're limited by your time and energy, rates can plateau based on your individual positioning, and your income stops when you stop creating. Now for creator management, your income grows with each new managed creator, it's less time intensive per dollar earned, you're leveraging systems and processes, and it's more predictable and it's recurring income. As you manage more creators successfully, your reputation grows, making it easier to attract new clients at higher rates. Some managers even charge $600 to $800 monthly for premium services. Now, eventually you could build a full creator management agency with multiple managers handling different creators while you focus on business development and strategy. However, creator management isn't for everyone. Here's who this business model works best for. Successful UGC creators, you need credibility and understanding of the business. Strategic thinkers, you enjoy analyzing performance and developing growth strategies, and also good communicators. You can give constructive feedback and lead group discussions. People who are systems oriented, you like building processes and tracking results, and people with patient growth mindsets. Results take 3 to 6 months, not immediate gratification. Now, this is not right for people who are complete beginners to UGC. You definitely need to build your own success first. People who prefer hands-off off passive income. This requires active management. And also creators who struggle with their own business, you need to fix your foundation first. And people who aren't comfortable with giving direct feedback. Many successful UGC creators naturally transition into management as they build expertise and systems that work, as they develop networks of other creators, as they want to diversify their income streams, and when they enjoy helping others succeed. And if you're looking to get started, definitely start by informally helping 1 to 2 creators you know, prove your value, and then formalize the service and expand from there. Now here are your next steps. If creator management sounds like something you want to explore, here's your action plan. Phase 1 is to build your foundation. Ensure your own UGC business is generating 5K monthly consistently, develop systems and strategies that you can teach others, and start informally helping other creators and documenting their results. Now phase number 2, test the market. Offer management services to 1 to 2 creators you know at a discounted rate, create templates and systems for reviews, calls, and messaging, track results, and gather testimonials. Now phase number 3, scale the service. You want to formalize your pricing and service offerings, you want to develop a client acquisition strategy, and you want to build systems to handle multiple creators efficiently. And now this is going to be the investment required. There's going to be a time investment, 2 to 3 hours per creator per week initially. There's going to be system development, building templates, processes, and tracking tools, a network of creators who trust your expertise. So now if you're interested in building this income stream, subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at itstinvuvo, where I share behind the scenes content about managing creators. And join my Discord community where I discuss advanced UGC business strategies. In my next video, I'm breaking down how I can personally help you make an extra 2 to 5K monthly within your first 90 days of starting UGC.